computer and hardware. My name is Selina Vitasari. Introduction to computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device used to process data into useful information. Computer help people perform many activities such as studying, working, communicating, and entertainment. Main functions of a computer: input data, process data, store data, produce information. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU. The CPU is collective brain of the computer because it controls all computer activities. Functions of CPU: process instruction, performance calculations, controls hardware operations, rules program and application. Part of CPU: arithmetic logic unit, control unit, registers. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board in a computer. It connects all hardware components together. Functions: connects CPU runs together and after the PC. Allows connection between components. Provides slots and ports for expansion. Components on motherboard: CPU squad, RAM slots, expansion slots, power connectors. RAM, random access memory. RAM is temporary memory used while the computer is running. Functions of RAM: store active programs, allows computer was faster. Support multitasking. Important notes: data in RAM disappears when the computer is turned off. More RAM improves performance. DVD, HDD, and SSD. Storage DVD are used to set data permanently. HDD disk drive used magnetic disks, large storage capacity, slower speed. SSD solid state drive, faster performance, no moving parts, more durable and efficient. Explain of storage data: document, photo, video, application. Power supply unit and cooling system. PSU and cooling system. Power supply unit PSU. The PSU supply electrical power to all computer community. Functions: compress electricity, distributes power supply, and explains. Fan heating, liquid cooling. Cooling fans overheating and hardware gimmick. Cooling system keeps computer temperature stable. Function is then a computer they are many important hardware components that work together. Main components CPU, motherboard, RAM, storage device, PSU, cooling system. Each component has its own function to make the computer work properly and efficiently.
Lanjut.
Hardware.
A few moments later.
Definition of hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is the physical component of a computer that can be seen and touched directly. Hardware works together with software to make the computer function properly. Characteristics of hardware. Physical devices can be touched directly. Requires software to operate. Explain of hardware: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer, speaker. Without hardware, a computer input devices are hardware used to enter data and commands into the computer. Functions send data to the computer, help users control the computer, support communication between user and system. Explain of input device. Keyboard used for typing letters, numbers, and symbols. Mouse used for moving the cursor and clicking objects. Scanner used for scanning images of documents. Microphone used for recording voice and sound. Output devices are hardware used to display or produce information for the computer. Functions display, processing, resolution, produce sound images for printed documents. Explain output device. Monitor displays text, images, and video. Printer prints documents and pictures onto paper. Speaker produces sound output. Projector displays computer screens onto linear surface. Processing devices are hardware that process data and control computer activities. Main processing components: CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is called the brain of the computer because it performs calculation and process instructions. Function capacitance of GPU. Process data controls hardware operations, rules, program, and application. GPU graph is processing unit. The GPU process graphics, images, and video. Benefits of GPU: better gaming performance, faster video editing, improved graphic quality, processing devices determining the speed and performance of a computer. Storage devices. Storage devices are used to data and programs primarily. Types of storage devices are disk drive, user magnetic disk, long storage capacity, slower performance, SSD, solid state drive, faster speed, more durable, no moving parts. Data storage, document, music, video, application, operating system. Storage devices are important because they keep data safe even when the computer is turned off. Thank you.